Hello, I'm Philip L. Johnson. Here I am going to show how to read EPUB books on Kindle. EPUB is one of the most common ebook formats. It's open source and free to use, and as such, is supported by most ebook readers separate from the Amazon Kindle. Those who have a Kindle and a library of unreadable EPUB files need not worry, however. With a little work, it is possible to convert an EPUB file into a file format the Kindle can easily read. Kindle Previewer 3. An additional reliable program for converting EPUB files to mobi is Amazon's own Kindle Previewer 3, available as a free download for Windows and Mac OS X. This is an application that allows users to preview the design of ebooks on various Kindle models. In order to accurately preview an EPUB file, the Kindle Previewer 3 will automatically convert it into mobi. We already discussed how to convert EPUB to mobi formats. Check out the video description for links. To convert EPUBs into Kindle format, follow the below steps. 1. Download and install Kindle Previewer 3 on your computer. 2. Open Kindle Previewer 3 window. 3. Drag and drop the EPUB onto the Kindle Previewer 3 window. The EPUB is being converted to mobi format. Once the conversion is complete, depending on the Kindle Previewer version you are using, the file will either be generated at the same location where the EPUB is located or you will need to export the mobi file. If you are using Kindle Previewer 3 and above, click on the three lines on the top left corner of the screen, click on the file and then export. Save the file to the desired location. 7. Connect the Kindle device to your computer and transfer the copy-paste the mobi file into the ebook folder of Kindle. 8. Overview. If you use an e-reader, it's probably a Kindle, which means it can be annoying to use open-source ebook formats like EPUB. Kindle Previewer 3 is a powerful program that can really help people who have multiple readers or who want to explore new formats. Thank you. Have any question, comment it here. Please subscribe.